Hello, this is Dr. Anshu Gupta, MDS PGI, Director of Advanced Dental Care Center, Chandigarh, India. Today in this video, we are showing you a smile design procedure where we have corrected the chipped tooth fracture with the help of a porcelain veneer. We hope that you enjoy this video, though it is a very simple procedure, but it can make a big difference in the life of the person who is being conscious because of the chipped upper front tooth. Thank you.